At the Home Depot's Rapid Deployment Centre in Vaughan, Ontario, we're in charge of delivering merchandise and ensuring our customers get the products they need. Right now, we're looking for hard-working individuals with great attitudes to grow as part of our team. Our facility is the first of its kind in Canada and is state-of-the-art from our conveyor belts to our forklifts.
Working is pretty awesome. They give us the tools, training. We need to do the job safely, quickly, and efficiently.
Our main flow building is over 654,000 square feet, and we have an additional 266,000 square feet for stock. Combined, that's as big as 10 soccer fields. We supply every store from Winnipeg, Manitoba to St. John's, Newfoundland. And with over 2 kilometers of conveyor belts, products are sorted and immediately distributed to our stores, making this an exciting place to work. But the facility isn't the only impressive part about working here. When you become part of the Home Depot team, we immediately start helping you build your career and develop the skills you need to succeed. Like the training that starts on day one, ranging from health and safety to distribution processes and equipment certification.
I've never driven a forklift before, but they provided me with the training that I needed. I was even able to shadow someone during my first week, allowing me to become more comfortable.
We also provide all our associates with great benefits. It doesn't matter whether you're part-time or full-time, you'll get health, dental, vision care, and more.
The health and dental benefits make a big difference, especially when you have a family.
The Home Depot is also committed to equal opportunity and diversity. It's just something that's celebrated here. So if you're a hands-on person who thrives in a fast-paced environment, the Vaughan Rapid Deployment Centre is the place for you. To learn more about this opportunity, visit homedepot.ca/careers.